Can an ordinary student really earn money from ChatGPT without spending a single dollar? The answer is yes, and I'm living proof. I used to sit in my dorm room, watching others live their best lives while I struggled to pay for coffee. That's when I decided something has to change. One night, I discovered ChatGPT, an AI tool that people were using to write emails, do homework, even run businesses. My mind was blown. I didn't know how to code. I wasn't a writer. I had no business experience. But I had time and curiosity. Idea number 1. I started offering blog writing on Fiverr. I let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting, and I just made it sound human. Clients were shocked by my skills. Idea number 2. Then came the real hack. I created ebooks using AI and sold them on Amazon KDP. One book made me $40 in a week. Idea number 3. With ChatGPT and Canva, I made Instagram captions and carousels for small brands. $10 per post. 5 posts a day equals $50. People laughed at me. You can't build a future with AI, they said. But I kept showing up, learning, earning, building. Soon, $60 a day wasn't just a dream. It became routine. A few gigs here, a few posts there, and boom, now I buy my own stuff. No guilt, no begging parents. AI didn't just give me money. It gave me confidence. I taught 3 friends how to do the same. They're all making $40, $70 a day now, some even more than me. All you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a burning desire to take control of your life. Everything else? AI's got it. Don't just scroll past this video. This is your sign. Try ChatGPT tonight. Build your first gig. Change your life. I'm not rich, but I'm not broke anymore. And if I can go from hopeless to hopeful with AI, so can you. Look. ChatGPT isn't some magic button that showers you with money. The real magic is what you bring to the table. Your hustle, your discipline, your willingness to try even when nobody claps for you. The AI is just a tool, but you're the one holding the hammer. The question is, will you build something, or will you keep dreaming? This video isn't just a success story. It's an invitation. If you're tired of being stuck, of being broke, of feeling like the world is moving without you, then let this be your beginning. Your first $10 from ChatGPT isn't just income. It's proof that your story is real. So grab your laptop, sit down, and write the first chapter. Because someday, you might be the one telling this story to inspire someone else.